Good morning, treasure hunters, thrill seekers and geocachers. I'm at my sister's today. Been looking after my mother for the weekend. And we've got no milk in. So I'm just dashing out early doors to pop to the shop. And it's a bright and early, cold and somewhat snowy April morning. And the shop that I'm going to, there's a geocache just down the road. And when I was here a couple of months ago, I went looking for this, couldn't find it. I think I've been looking on the wrong side of the road. So this is where we are, that's the Holywell Inn. And we're at Holywell Green near Halifax. Don't know whether you can see that in the distance, but there's snow on the hills. And it's April. A little bit bizarre really. But there's a Nisa corner shop down here and they generally open early. So I thought, well, I'll pop down here, get some milk, and maybe sneak in this cheeky geocache. It actually doesn't look like the shop's open yet, which is a bit of a bugger. The hint is hole in the wall. And it mentions the church in the activity log. And I searched the last time I was here, the whole length of that wall, to no avail. Well, I'm quite pleased to say that I've found it. It's got a nice dry log inside. Looks like it's been replaced. So I'm going to get a pen out to sign it up. I'm quite chuffed about this one. I think it's my 56th find. And the reason I'm chuffed about it is because it was a previous DNF. And nobody likes a DNF. So that's all signed up. Some early morning cyclists, muggles. Hope you've enjoyed that. Because I am actually really chuffed. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down, it's up to you. But, you know, just look at that spectacular old church. Give it a thumbs up for that alone. So I'm going to sort this milk out. And I don't know, I might be able to do a drive-by geocache at some point today with my mum. Who knows? You'll have to wait until the geocaching video after this to find out if that actually happened or not. Anyway, I'm off. I'll see you soon. I'm just going to put this back. Can't believe that. I was looking in the wrong place the whole fucking time.